guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mandeep and today we will be unboxing about one facial hair trimmer which I have bought from Amazon, and the product is from Carecroft Facial Hair Remover, as which you can see. And recently I am been hearing about this product a lot and I've seen a lot of videos on this, so I really wanted to give it a try. And as you all know that during the lockdown we were unable to go to the parlors and anywhere to any of the salons, so removing the facial hair, especially like the upper lips, was really difficult and a painful process. So to do this, and as they guarantee that this is a pain-free process, so I bought this product and I really tried. Now I have tried this product a plenty of times, and after that only I'll be reviewing this product here. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, and to see the detailed video, let's get started. So here, as you have seen, this is the box. Now quickly let's open. Okay, so here we have got one cable, and this is a normal USB, and this is not a C type, it is a normal charge cable. This. Now the next product which we have got here is one brush. This is our main unit, as you can see. Now this is in a cap format. We'll open it. Here you can see the top nozzle from which can cut. Like this is the part we have to use on our face, and here at the back you can see this is for the charging purpose, the cable which I have showed, and here there is a button which will push upward if the gadget starts, and here one LED light you can see, like when the gadget is on, that switch on, and when we push the button downside it gets stopped. Now this gadget creates a little bit of noise, and as I have said that I bought this from Amazon. Now let's see the packaging. Like looking at the packaging, I can say that this is a really travel friendly product. You can carry it easily, and as the product really mentioned that it is a painless process, and it is definitely a painless process. You have to do nothing else, but you have to just open, remove the cap, switch on the button, and you have to just in a circular motion on you wherever you want to remove your facial hair. In a circular motions you have to just rotate, and it will remove all your facial hairs. Now this you can use it, they say, and they guarantee that this you can use it over all your faces, even for the eyebrows, but I would not recommend this product for the eyebrows because the top portion, that the nozzle part, is quite big and it won't work on your eyebrows really well. So on the other part of the face, like on the upper lip and chin, cheeks, you can use this because it will remove the hair really nice. Now how and why the brush is given and how it works. As I have mentioned that switching on, it cuts all the hair. Now the top part, which is here, when you turn once, it opens up in this way. Whatever hair is removed and the cut part gets collected in this portion of the machine. And this is the part, you need not remove this, you have to just put it on, and afterwards when you have cleaned all the things with the brush which they have actually provided, with the help of the brush you can just remove the dust in this. That's it. Now once you are done cleaning the entire the thing, you have to just secure it on the top properly, and in a round portion you have to just twist it a bit and it gets locked, and again in the same manner switch it on and it works. Now here I'll be showing you by removing the facial hair of my own. As you can see, I guess the camera captures, like I have already a lot of upper lips, and naturally my upper lips grow a lot. Like in 15 days I have to go to the parlor, not for the eyebrows but definitely for the upper lips portion. So this has been a really helpful product. So let's see how it works and how I get, like how it cleans properly my area, so that you get an idea like this product really works. So let's get started with that. Now, one main thing which I have observed is that I have a really dry skin, and this product directly when I use it on my face does not work. So I have to put a little bit of powder to remove the facial hair which I have. So I'll be applying a little bit of facial, like the powder on the upper lip portion, this way, like normally which the parlor people does. So now I'll just start removing the facial hairs. Now, so I am done with removing. So I'll quickly remove the excess powder so that I can have a look like whether it is done properly or not. So now can you really see like how beautifully it has removed the facial hair without any pain? All the facial upper lips hair has been removed. So this is how it exactly works. Now, one more thing, many people might be thinking like how is the growth of the upper lip or the facial hair after we use this trimmer. Now, I have been using it from last 7 to 8 months and I haven't felt any difference. Like my facial growth hair, the growth is as normal as it was before, and the hair growth is not big. Like many people think कि दाढ़ी जैसा हो जाएगा, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है friends. आप इसे definitely एक बार try करें. It will give you good results. Now coming back to the product once again. So as I showed you, I have already used the trimmer. So all the dust and everything has been collected inside. In the same manner, you have to just open the product. Let's open it. And here you can see how the dust is captured. So what you have to do, like you have to use it like a brush. I'll be not doing it here because entire setup will get dirty, so I'll be cleaning it afterwards. So you have to just use the brush and clean it. And once you are done cleaning, again put that product back into the place and push it back. And here it works. Again switch it on and use it for the purpose accordingly. So this was my entire review about this product. So if you have there are times when we cannot go to parlors and anything and sudden plans come up. So for that purpose, this really works. I only do my upper lips, so I have been using it in this part. You can use it other parts as well, like in the chin, cheeks and all the places, but don't try it for eyebrows. I won't suggest it for eyebrows because the part is really thick. So if you have really liked this product and if you want to buy this product, then I'll be dropping the detailed link and details of this product in my description box below. You can go check the description box and buy the product easily with one click. And if you have liked this video, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So till then, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.